Good night. Have you ever decided to match epic? Have you ever played the guitar? Have you ever encountered one who danced pictures just in one day? Have you ever seen a famous star? Have you ever done exercise at the beach? Have you ever done skiing? Have you ever driven a motorcycle? Have you ever drunk tequila? Have you ever driven a car? Have you ever read Harry Potter? Have you ever found money on the streets? Have you studied English before? Have you ever won marathon? Have you have you ever having tacos at home? Have you ever worked worked 25 hours your office? Have you ever seen the Great Wall of China? Have you owned on pump before? Have you ever sung with dolphins? Have you ever lost your wallet? Have you ever fallen and spilled on your laptop? Thank you.